Right. Firstly, I would like to thank you, RNBK, for the support and care that you are giving to our school, which is Forester J Primary School. We have got parents who are failing to pay fees for their children, but through your support, we are able to achieve a lot of things. You are inspiring the community, and you are helping them, which is enlightening them. So we thank you for your great support, and we want you to continue to assist those parents in paying the fees for their learners. And we believe that the children are the future. So if we look after them, it means our future will be very bright. So we thank you very much. But on the same note, we are encountering a number of challenges. We have identified some challenges which the parents are failing to take care of. For example, those learners which their fees have been paid are failing to acquire stationery which is needed for them to learn. For example, under stationery, I've noted that they might not have exercise books and pens, pencils, and they cannot cover their books. So we think that if somebody can be found who can assist them in stationery, I think their learning can be successful. And secondly, we have got another challenge that we have seen. It's of uniform. Uniform is something that everyone should have. And zvinoita kuti mwana kana aine uniform anonga ari can fit into a group and they can learn achiziva kuti no, I'm not handisi kudiscriminatwa. So some parents, they cannot afford to buy proper uniform for their what, for their children. So we are appealing to you if you can assist them in that category. And another challenge that we have seen is those learners who are approaching grade 6 and grade 7, they cannot afford to pay examination fees. As you are aware that the government has gazetted some funds or some monies that has to be paid by every candidate who sits for grade 7. So, for example, last year the grade 7s were to pay $30, which covers grade 6 and grade 7. So most of the parents could struggle to find such amount. So this will derail all the efforts that you might have that you might have given to us as a school. So if perhaps you can assist also in availing funds for registration of grade 6 and 7, I think the parents will be very grateful, will be very happy about that one. And another challenge that I have noted is learning these days. We are having this new or updated curriculum, which is competence based. It is too demanding to the parent side. For example, we have got the colors, which needs money. Mwana anogona kunge achida kugadzira a certain model or something, so vanoda mari, they need money, they need funds to support that one. They need money to buy files which they put the color works or the color components. They need money so that they support the artifacts. They create artifacts which they can buy tools so that they make those artifacts. For example, vanogona kuda mbezo dzekuti vaweze mota duri rere, kana kudawo zvekutenga kana zvimawaya waya zvekuti vanoda kugadzira mamodels, because this new or updated curriculum is competence based. We want to see the work that they have done with their hands. So at times they might not have the money to buy those things. So tiri kana RNB and the other partners who are partnering them can avail some funds, we will be very grateful, and our children will be successful in the journey of schooling they are doing. I think as far as these I have said, I think I can rest my case. Thank you very much. But tinokutendai nesupport yamuri kutipa, and tiri kunyatsoona kuti environment yedu is very supportive, and iri kunyatsokufara nezvamuri kutiitira, zvokuti continue doing that. And as a school we are also very happy nekuti tiri kuassistwa as times tinogona kushaya machoko kana chii, but apo munotipa mari pepe toti we sit down tose hatisina chii pepe, then we procure all those things. So thank you very much for what you are doing. Continue, we'll be very grateful.